I am Azea and we are Group 1. Our topic is about deforestation. The causes of deforestation. Number 1 is agriculture, because it's leading cause of deforestation. Like farmers need land to grow crops and raise animals. They remove forest land to make room for farms. And they use slush and burn is cutting away and burning the forest. Number 2 is logging. Loggers cut down trees for their wood. Logging is illegal in many areas like National Park, and the wood is used for many purposes, including paper production and as a building material. Number 3 is dams. It generates hydroelectric energy. Flood forests that are upstream. Trees decay slowly when dams are built in tropical waters, depriving the water of oxygen. Number 4 is roads. Building the roads themselves destroy trees in the way provides access to a larger area of the forest for loggers, miners, and farmers. The effects of deforestation. Number 1 is loss of biodiversity. Rainforests contain over half of the world's species. Loss of trees, loss of primary consumers, loss of secondary consumers. When trees are removed, all rainforest life is affected. Number 2 is soil erosion. Soil erosion is when soil is removed by natural causes. When trees are gone, their roots cannot hold the soil in place, reduce soil's capacity to hold water, and makes agriculture difficult. Number 3 is poor water quality. Soil erosion lets dirt enter runoff. Lowering water quality makes for bad living conditions for fish. A reduced amount of fish can cause ramifications all the way up to the food chain. Number 4 is disrupts water cycle and carbon cycle. If the trees are gone, there will be less transpiration and less water released in the hydrological cycle. If trees aren't there, carbon dioxide will accumulate and contribute to the greenhouse effect.
For deforestation, Philippines did a few solutions like one-day shopping, move towards buying recycled products mainly. Most recycled items do not drive from areas that have been cleared of natural and rainforests. And speaking of meat, do not buy meat products sourced from land when forests have been cleared. At this stage, I will prepare to go to the whole log if I will. I will need to spend extra care and time perusing the product label also. I'm going to need to extend my knowledge on the multinational campaign that product these packaged supermarket items, and start planting trees. That's the son of domestic campaign so far. Soon, all the neighbors will be carbon copying each other. Recycle as much as possible, cleaning land. And in China, government encouraged people to not use plastic bag. And in China, there's a lot of apps for people. Like you walk in the steps, they will plant a free tree for you on the earth. And in China, we do a lot of online work without the paper. Destruction is the process by which natural habitats is rendered incapable of supporting its native species. Example, in this process, the site that previously used the site on displaced or destroyed, reducing biodiversity. Destroy. Do you always cause the ruin or undoing of? Example, in this causing major problems to wildlife as their habitats is destroyed. And deforestation, the stage of being cleared of trees. Example, rapid deforestation is endangering both the wildlife and our health. Impoverished of a region or area may poor. Impoverished village. Regulation, a rule of directive made and maintained by an authority. Example, planning regulations. Conductive, tending to bring about, being partly responsible for. Example, many are forced to find new areas which may not be conducive to them.